IQ4 unlocks the full potential of your Corsair HydroX liquid cooling components, with advanced RGB lighting, temperature monitoring, and full control over your pump and fans when used in combination with the Corsair lighting and fan controller. To begin setting up your HydroX series hardware, mouse over the tile for your lighting controller and click on Lighting Setup. Go to the lighting channel window for the lighting channel that you've connected your HydroX series components to, and use the drop-down menu to select HydroX series. Click the plus button to add a component and select the first HydroX component in the chain. Continue until all HydroX blocks and pumps connected to this lighting channel have been added. Now go to your lighting channel and add a lighting effect by clicking the plus button. Select a preset, custom, or lighting link effect in the lighting type window and configure this lighting effect with custom colors, speed, or direction. By default, new lighting effects will apply to all available lighting zones on this lighting channel. You can assign a lighting effect to a single zone by left-clicking in the preview, multiple zones by holding the Control key on your keyboard while left-clicking, or clicking and dragging to select multiple zones at once. You can also experiment with multiple lighting effects by adding another lighting effect and layer it on top of another. Simply click the plus button to add another lighting effect, configure it, and apply it to the desired lighting zones. You can change the priority of these lighting effects by clicking and dragging them in the Lighting Layers window. If your HydroX series components are connected to a Corsair fan controller, go to the Cooling tab. Use the drop-down under each fan readout to select a cooling profile. Set your radiator fans to HydroX series fans and your pump to HydroX series pump. You can also create a custom cooling preset by clicking the plus button. Custom cooling presets can be a fixed percentage, fixed RPM, or a custom curve based on a temperature probe. If you wish to set a custom alert for your HydroX series loop on a Corsair fan controller, go to the Alerts tab. You can create a new alert by clicking the plus button and configure its behavior by enabling different actions using the toggles to the right. Note that you can assign different behaviors to different temperatures. Once you've configured the alert, assign it to the temperature probe from your HydroX series pump by using the drop-down under the desired temperature readout. And that's it! IQ4 unlocks the full potential of your Corsair HydroX series liquid cooling components. For more information about Corsair iQ, check out corsair.com/iq.